I wore this watch to sleep, and it tracks stress inside your body. This is the vascular load feature on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. And this is exactly what most people will see at first. No data, this is not an error, this is not the watch failing, this is the feature doing its job properly. Vascular load only works when the watch tracks your sleep. What Samsung is trying to estimate here is how much strain your blood vessels are under during recovery, mainly while you sleep. That means heart rate patterns, variability, and sleep quality all matter. Once that baseline exists, the watch compares each night to your own normal, not to other people and not to some generic average. So when you see steady, higher or lower later on, that is a trend, not a verdict. This is not blood pressure. It is not a diagnosis. It is a long-term recovery and strain indicator. Factors that can affect your vascular load include sleep time, active time, and stress. You can use this information to see if there might be a connection to your result. It measures how much stress your blood vessels are under during sleep and tracks the trend over time, not a single night. Higher means your blood vessels were under more stress than usual. Lower means they handled things better than your normal. What matters is the trend over days and weeks, not a single night. Vascular load isn't one size fits all. When you pay attention to your habits, from salt intake to exercise and stress, patterns start to show up. This doesn't diagnose anything, but it's the same direction Huawei took with vascular health and atherosclerosis awareness, and that's a big deal. Thanks for watching.